Welcome to my channel. Wi-Fi router configuration step by step. 1. Unbox and power up. Take your new router out of the box and plug it into a power socket. Wait for the power light to turn solid, indicating it's ready to start. 2. Connect to the router. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer or laptop to one of the LAN ports on the router. If you don't have a cable, connect through Wi-Fi. The default network name and password are usually printed on the back or bottom of the router. 3. Open the login page. Now open your browser and type the router's IP address, most commonly 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Then tap Enter. 4. Log into the router dashboard. You'll see a login page. Enter the default username and password, often both are admin. If that doesn't work, check the label on your router or its manual. 5. Run the quick setup wizard. Once you're inside the router dashboard, look for something called Setup Wizard or Quick Setup. Click on it. This helps you go through basic configuration easily. 6. Choose your internet connection type. Your ISP might require a specific connection type like DHCP, PPoE, or static IP. Select the one your provider uses. If you're unsure, it's best to call your ISP or check your connection details. 7. Enter your ISP details. If required, enter your broadband username and password provided by your internet service provider. Click Next or Save once you're done. 8. Set up your Wi-Fi name, SSID. This is where you customize your network name, something easy to recognize. Avoid using personal details like your name or phone number. 9. Create a strong Wi-Fi password. Set a unique password at least 8 to 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. This keeps your connection safe from unauthorized users. 10. Configure dual bands. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, name them differently so you can tell them apart. The 2.4 GHz is better for range, while 5 GHz is faster but works best in closer range. 11. Save and reboot the router. Click Save or Apply Settings. Most routers will reboot automatically. Give it a minute or two to come back online. 12. Connect and test your internet. Now reconnect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the name and password you just created. Thanks for watching.